Are you using the Arduino Uno Q and there is a specific Python package that you want to use in your app, but you're not sure how to pip install it so that the app can use it? Maybe you're trying to do pip install, through the terminal or whatever. Well, in this video, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to add a package to your Arduino app in, Arduino AppLabs. All you have to do is add the name of the package to a requirements.txt file. So let's just go ahead and do it. All right, I'm in Arduino AppLab. This is a brand new app I just created, and I'm gonna go to the Python file, the main Python file. I'm gonna remove all this bloat that Arduino adds to the original sketch. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is import a library or a package called Arrow. It's like a time library. And if I try to run this, I should get an error in the Python console that's going to say, hey, we don't see any module named Arrow. Where is it, man? So it looks like it's running, but then it stops. And if we go to the Python console, we can see, hey, look, listen, I'm activating the virtual environment, but I can't find no module not found Arrow. Okay, so how do we add Arrow? It's this easy. All right, first thing you're going to do is go over to the left-hand sidebar and you're going to click on this Python file. So it's highlighted. Then you're going to come up here and click the plus sign where it says add file, and you're going to create a file. So let me just see this little plus sign right here. Just create file. And then we're going to name it requirements.txt. If you have ever done like a pip freeze, it creates that requirements file, if I'm not mistaken. All right, maybe I'm making that up. But okay, so now in the requirements file, I'm just going to type in Arrow, which is the name of that package. Now, I could specify the version. There's like some syntax to say, hey, equal to this version or greater than this version or whatever. I'm just going to type the name. That's good enough for what we're doing. So now I'm going to go ahead and run this and let's see what happens. All right, so this is the Python console. This was where we left off last time. It said, hey, no module Arrow. Now this is the next time. We just ran this right here. And look what it does. It is installed 4 packages. It installed this Arrow package for us. So hey, that's cool. Now Arrow's been installed. Now here's what we can do. Let's say we stop this and we're going to run it one more time. And let's go ahead and look at the Python console and see what happens. Okay, so now this is the most recent time. So it's activating the Python virtual environment. And now notice what it says. Hey, requirements already installed. So it doesn't reinstall them once you've done it once. It's just that first time it runs and then they're there. So that is how you add a package to an app in Arduino AppLab. It's that simple. Now under the hood, this is using this thing called UV. You're welcome to check that out. Maybe I'll link to it in the description. That's how it's getting these all installed. If you're just getting into this Arduino Uno Q, you want to learn more, check out the link in the description or this QR code right here. I'm putting together a training program specifically for using the Q. And, it's just a lot of fun to be able to have a microcontroller unit right next to a microprocessor unit. And it's pretty straightforward if you're familiar with Arduino on how to use the microcontroller. And now you get to play with a microprocessor unit and do all types of interesting stuff. I've been having a blast with it. Like I said, it's been a lot of fun. So anyway, this link, that QR code. The next video you should watch is this one right here. It's 3 simple projects that you can do with your Arduino Q right out of the box. This one right here.